Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello everyone. I hope you all have done your prelims 2024 examination of UPSC very well. And now we all are waiting for the prelims results. So here we need to know what is the cutoff for the prelims 2024 of UPSC examination. So we need to assess certain things to know the expected cutoff for prelims 2024. So if you see the previous year cutoff for the last 5 years, in 2019 it was 98, and then in 2020 it was 92.51, in 2021 87.54, and if you see 2023 it is 75.41. It came as low as 75.41, and that was because of the difficulty level of the paper. So this 75.41 was based on the difficulty level of both GS paper 1 and the CSAT paper. That is the reason why it came as low as 75.41 in the year 2023. So if you see the 2024 paper, you could say that it was an easier paper than 2023 paper. So it was easier than 2023, that is for sure. Okay, but then generally could we consider it to be a easier paper altogether? No, there are certain other considerations which we must look into. So if you see the subject wise classification of the number of questions that has been asked, in geography they have asked 17 questions. Okay, geography session 17 questions, and of these 17 questions, maximum of the questions were sourced from NCERT. So answering geography questions should be easy. Okay, and coming to the polity section, 16 questions were asked, and these were moderate questions. They were not easy but moderate. And coming to environment, there were 13 questions. They seemed to be easy but they were not. Okay, so environment questions were actually difficult this time. And coming to economy section, 12 questions were asked, and if you would have gone through previous year question paper analysis of UPSC, then it would have been easy for you to answer these economy questions. So we could say that economy was also easy this time. And coming to science and technology, it was moderate. Few questions were from current affairs and rest were based on the basic science knowledge from the school level that we have. Okay, and 11 questions were asked from science and technology section. History, it was unexpected that only 9 questions were asked, 5 from ancient, 1 from medieval, and just 3 from modern India. Generally from modern India they ask 10 to 12 questions, but this time it was only 3 questions. So it was very unexpected, and these 5 ancient India questions were also difficult. So generally we can put history under difficult category or moderate to difficult. And then international organization related question was there, and then current affairs, 16 questions were there. Of these, 8 were direct current affairs question and 8 current affairs and static integrated question. Okay, so these were moderate again, and 4 government schemes related questions were asked. So again it is current affairs related only. Okay, those questions were also moderate. So if you consider these factors, geography easy, polity moderate, environment difficult, economy easy, science, history moderate, and current affairs moderate. Okay, so considering these, you could say that it is a moderate paper, moderate to difficult paper. So it was easier than the previous year question paper, but then generally if you consider many other factors, it was a moderate to difficult paper. Yet another factor that we need to consider here is the question patterns that were asked. Single liners were there. 25 single liners were there, mostly factual. So answering these should be easy. And then 3 or 4 statement questions, code based questions. So when it is code based, then there are many possibilities that you could use elimination technique for answering these questions. So again, easy section. 2 statement questions, 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2, such questions. Those were 2 statement questions. 13 questions were asked from that section. Again, easy category. And how many type questions? How many type is only 1, only 2, such questions. Only 3, none, such questions. Okay. 18 questions were there. So here you cannot apply elimination technique. Thus, we could say this is a difficult category. And assertion type questions, that is 2 statements given. You have to individually assess each statement's correctness and then also check if the second statement is going to explain the first statement. Okay, such questions were there. 13 questions were there. Okay, so this is the question pattern that was there. So generally, if you consider this question paper altogether, we could say that it is a moderate to difficult paper. So it is not an easy paper, but it was easier than the previous year. So previous year the cutoff was 75.41. So this time the expected cutoff is 90 plus or minus 5. Okay, so if your score is going to be between 85 to 95, then there are many chances that you could get through. So we expect the cutoff to be between 85 to 95. This is what we are saying. And students, if you are very sure that you're going to get more than 90 from the assessment of the paper, then start preparing for mains examination. Do not waste your time, and all the best for your mains examination. Thank you all.